Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to tag someone on a Facebook post. Mention tag someone on a Facebook post. Now right here, I'm currently inside a Facebook account. First thing I'm going to do is click on this one that says what's on your mind. Click on that one, choose tag people, and then just choose anyone you want to tag here. I'm going to go with a random name, Joshua. So click on done, and you'll be good to go. As you can see, we have successfully mentioned someone. Now let's tag someone on a photo. Click this icon right here. I'm gonna add the photo right there. I'm gonna go with my wallpaper just for the sake of discussion. Click on edit. Once you have edit right here, click on the tag photo right there, this icon right here. Click on it and tap anywhere, or tap a face basically. And for this one, type anyone you have here. So since I have Joshua, of course I'm going to tag Joshua one more time. Click on done, and as you can see, Joshua is right there. Now this is going to be a post now. Click on next, and I've successfully tagged someone. I can only click on next here to post this photo with the tag or mention, and I'll be good to go. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.